The history of Japan is a story of isolation, discipline, and rapid transformation. Unlike many countries, Japan developed for long periods with limited outside influence, which helped it build a strong and unique culture. Early Japan was shaped by clans and mythology, with traditions recorded in texts like the Kojiki. Over time, a central imperial system formed under the emperor. Though real power often shifted elsewhere, a major influence came from China, as Japan adopted writing, Buddhism, and political ideas, but still maintained its distinct identity. By the late 12th century, power moved from the emperor to military rulers known as shoguns. The first of these governments was established by Minamoto no Yoritomo, marking the beginning of the samurai era. Japan became a feudal society, where warriors, samurai, served powerful lords called daimyo. During this time, Japan successfully resisted two major invasions by the Mongols under Kublai Khan, helped in part by typhoons later called kamikaze, divine winds. In the 16th century, Japan went through a period of chaos known as the Sengoku, Warring States, era, where rival warlords fought for control. This ended with unification under leaders like Tokugawa Ieyasu, who established the Tokugawa shogunate in 1603. Under this system, Japan entered a long period of peace and strict isolation from the outside world, limiting foreign contact for over 200 years. This isolation ended in 1853, when American forces led by Matthew C. Perry forced Japan to open its ports. Realizing it was falling behind Western powers, Japan underwent the Meiji Restoration, which restored power to the emperor and rapidly modernized the country. Japan industrialized, built a strong military, and quickly became a global power. By the early 20th century, Japan expanded aggressively, defeating China and Russia in wars and later becoming involved in World War II. Its expansion across Asia led to brutal conflicts, and the war ended after the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. After the war, Japan was occupied and rebuilt under a new system focused on peace and democracy. It transformed into an economic powerhouse, becoming one of the world's leading economies by the late 20th century. Today, Japan's capital, Tokyo, represents a blend of tradition and modern innovation. Japan's history stands out for how quickly it adapted from a feudal, isolated society to one of the most advanced nations in the world. Please like and subscribe to get access to other history videos. Leave your suggestions in the comments.